Hey guys, Chris Beckwith-Taylor here at Greenstick Marketing. Stay informed 24/7. Keep up with all of the online activity that impacts the success of your business. Check back often to see real-time updates from the products that you've subscribed to here within your marketing platform. You can certainly customize and edit these notifications at any time to receive instant notifications, daily notifications, weekly, monthly, however which you choose. To do so, simply log into your Greenstick Marketing dashboard. And what you want to do is scroll on down on the left-hand side straight to settings and click notification settings. Now, in order to update notification settings, just a friendly reminder to make sure that you do have users attached to the business account. Now you'll see all of your products that you have a current subscription for. You can either customize the notifications using our global settings. Here you can see I'm going to turn off any instant on product activations, but I want to make sure that I can get my daily digests. In addition, if there's a particular product or app that I don't want to receive notifications on, let's just say I'm not necessarily focused on managing social media, I can certainly turn all of these off. Hope this was a great tip for you. Hope you learned something new. Stay curious and check back soon for more tutorials.